Morning, guys. Actually, I'm totally lying. It's not morning. It's 1:45 in the afternoon. Had a bit of a lazy one this morning. Oopsie. But now I'm ready and I've got my face on and I'm dressed and what have you. It's a beautiful day and I think I need to go and get some fresh air. So I'm going to do a 4-mile walk around a place called Virginia Water, which is kind of near me. A bit of a car journey, but not too far. So I'm going to walk around there and I thought I'd take you with me, show you some sights, you know, some nature, all that sort of jazz. So yeah, let's poodle off, shall we? Here are my little pumps. I've got those to put on after the walk, and this is my walking survival kit. So I've got my my little reusable bag. I've got a book in case I want to stop and read. This is really, really good by Raina Wynn. It's The Salt Path and it's a true story. It's really good. Purse, obviously. My keep cup, because after my walk I think I'm definitely going to have to treat myself to a coffee. I've got my earbuds because I'm going to listen to an Audible book. Got my lip balm by Bayo, which is a brilliant company. They do all natural skincare. A lip gloss just in case, you know, just in case it wouldn't look nice. And my bottle of squash. And this is my lunch today. It's a banana and a naked bar. So, oh, and I have to drop that off into the post box, and I also have to pick up my lampshade kits. So we better get going. So it's arrived. It's really annoying though, because it's like that. This is the second parcel that I've had dropped off at this cleaner's, and there's always something wrong with the box. It's really weird, like it's open. Anyway, they look all right, so let's go. Gosh, it's so bright. Right, first things first is suntan lotion, because today is a burner, that's for sure. So I'm going to slap it on places where potentially I could get burned. This is factor 50. I'm serious about not getting a tan. If I'm getting a tan, it's going to be a fake one. Or it's going to be a gradual one with no burning. Ears, don't forget your ears. First things first, toilet. I have no idea what these massive great triffids are. They're absolutely huge. I wanted to show you how big they are. They smell funny. What the hell are they? I don't know. But look, this is my hand. They're big, huh? Check out these triffids. These are really scary. They got really spiky stalks. I think they're quite toxic, these. I think they'll sting. They are huge. Foot again. Scary, huh? Wouldn't want to fall into those evil looking things, would you? Just like a painting. Look at this. How beautiful is this? Just come around the corner and there's all this beautiful colour. Sorry about the helicopters and the planes. We're near Heathrow. They look like they're all dying off a bit. Unfortunately, the colours are still here. Amazing. There's a polo ground not far, just up road in this park, so that helicopter could be something to do with polo players because they've got a lot of money. It's beautiful, isn't it? I feel like I'm walking in a painting. Gorgeous. Oh dear. I was going to go on the bridge, but it looks like it might not be safe. Oh, here comes another plane. Look. That ruins the look somewhat, doesn't it? I could actually just sit under that right now. Cool me down. Oh, that looks good. Oh God, it's coming this way. Oh hell. Oopsie. Gorgeous colour. Looks like they're all sort of dying off now. A bit droopy. Still walking. Not even halfway around. I keep stopping for photos. Oh, to have a house like this, with a gorgeous bridge onto a little island and a lovely lake, and they've got a boathouse there. How gorgeous is that? I say boathouse. I'd live in it. They've even got lily pads. It's like something out of Wind in the Willows. I'm not doing very well on the old walking front. I keep stopping. Does that count? If you walk 4 miles but you just keep stopping the whole way? Or do you have to like power through? I think something is better than nothing. So I reckon. Check out this tree. Check out the moles. They've got some giant moles. Wow. Look. Jurassic moles. How beautiful is this? And then it's ruined. Right, well, change of plan. I'm walking up towards the polo field because I've seen loads of cars going up that way, and I think if there's polo one, it'd be really nice to show you and see some horses and stuff. But I'm knackered, so I've just come up a big hill. Oh my goodness. And look at this tree. That is a cool tree. Isn't it a cool tree? Cool tree. Yes. Okay, we've reached the polo club. It is looking very busy. So you'd think there'd be some horses running around the place, wouldn't you? But we'll have a little look.
Our 2 teams for today, M-Law in red and Dubai Polo team in green with white detailing. We seem to be nearly there with the full set of players. Manik centres a little bit more whilst Tincho tucks in behind him. Manik's keeping it away. Duplessis turns on a dime.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that little bit of polo. It's, I don't understand it, but it looks fab. Feel sorry for the ponies, but they're obviously used to it, so amazing. They can turn on a penny. Incredible. So, continuing my walk. It's getting a little bit long. It's 4:15 now. So I really do need to sort of head back to the car park, but I think I've got at least 2 miles to walk. So better get on it, eh? Say goodbye to the polo. I think I need a wee, so I'm now going to do another detour via Savile Garden and use their facilities. Just checked on my Strava and I've done 4.4 miles. So I've done over, and I've got another 2 to go. Oopsie. Never mind, it's good for me. It's good for me. Found some more triffids. Mahoosive ones this time. Mahoosive. Horrible looking things. See? Up to my shoulders. Scary. Scary. So here we have the Savile Garden entrance, which looks like Teletubbies. It's great though. It's got a great shop, cafe, toilets. These are the poshest toilets in the world. I mean, excuse me a second. My reward. No sugar. Had to be good. So I'm going to walk back to the car now, hopefully, without any stops. So yes, I bought a couple of things in the shop. Not for me, Father's Day. I'll show you in the car. I've got to get walking now. 2 more miles. Come on, come on, come on. I'm nearly there. Nearly at the start. Hallelujah. I wonder how many miles I've done. Interesting. Oh, thank goodness, the finish line. The finish line where I started. Whoop whoop. Oh my god. I'm absolutely boiling. Am I glowing? Yes. Boiling and knackered. Can you see me? 6.4 miles I did. I think that's pretty good. I'm pretty pleased with that. Didn't mean to, but it's fine. The car's here, it's all fine, everything's fine. Right, what I bought was, I bought this card for my dad. Carpe Vinum, seize the wine. I thought that was very apt. And I bought him this for Father's Day. It's a really cool little wooden bowl. My dad loves wooden stuff. Most men do, I think. So that was $7.95, which I didn't think was too bad. So I'm going to say, you know, that could sit by your bedside table and you could put crap in it. That's what we do, isn't it? Put crap in stuff. And I also got him a bottle of Great British Sauce, tomato and mustard sauce. It says too good to be called ketchup. So it's like ketchup and a mustard in one. So I thought that sounded really cool. It was £2.50, which I didn't think was that bad either. So that's his Father's Day present. So that's good. So at least I got something out of the walk, apart from tired muscles and sweat. Anyway, taking my shoes off now because my feet are killing me. It's 5:30, so I think we've done quite well this afternoon. Good job. Just back to a nice cool flat, so that's good. So I had to go to the co-op, which is really disappointing because you can't buy, well, I couldn't buy any potatoes loose. They're all in plastic. So that was really annoying. And tonic water, I've got tonic water. I wanted just a plain tonic water because I've got this, I got for my birthday, I got some raspberry gin. And this was like £1.85, and I think in Waitrose it's cheaper. So, you know, and these were £1.50, and I'm pretty sure in Waitrose 2 sweet potatoes was cheaper than that as well. So, anyway, gonna get me grubbing. So I am going to finish the vlog off here. I hope you enjoyed the little walk around Virginia Water / Windsor Great Park / Guards Polo Club at Savile Gardens. It was a beautiful day for it, so I'm really pleased that I got out. I've cooked my supper. I have got, oh, it's hot plate. Here it is. Some chicken legs, some broccoli and some roasted sweet potato. So I'm going to eat that now and sign off. Thank you very much for watching. Speak soon.